Hello, little learners. Today we are going to start with chapter 2, the Northern Mountains. So, in this chapter, I will tell you about Northern Mountains, that is Himalayas, right? So, here, let's see our Northern Mountains. Here lies your Northern Mountains from Jammu and Kashmir to your Arunachal Pradesh. Right here lies the Northern Mountains. As you know that India is bounded by a long and high range of mountains in the north and northeast region. The same include Karakoram and Himalaya ranges, and Himalaya links home of snow, means it is also known as Alp of snow because it is the highest mountain range of the world. As you know that हिमालयन रेंजेस स्ट्रेच फ्रॉम कश्मीर इन द नॉर्थ, यहाँ नॉर्थ में कश्मीर है और कहाँ तक जाता है इन द ईस्ट अरुणाचल प्रदेश, राइट. फ्रॉम अरुणाचल प्रदेश दे टेक टर्न टुवर्ड्स द साउथ एंड आफ्टर दे टर्न दे आर नॉट एज हाई एज हिमालय. जैसे ही वो टर्न करते हैं ना साउथ की तरफ, वो इतने ऊंचे नहीं रह पाते जितने कहाँ होते हैं आपके नॉर्थ ईस्ट में. So let's study about the landform. So what are landforms? The Himalayan ranges run parallel to one another. Highest mountain peak of the world in these mountain ranges, and the highest peak is Mount Everest, and which is in Nepal. And two countries, they are completely in the Himalayan ranges, and they are Nepal and the Bhutan. कौन से दो country है completely? Nepal और Bhutan. There are few states of our country which are in very close to these ranges, and they are Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and northern part of Uttar Pradesh, Sikkim, small part of north of West Bengal, Assam, and all small state of Northeast India. In Kashmir, if we talk about beyond the Indus, lie Karakoram ranges, and the highest peak is called K2. What do we call it? K2, which is next to Mount Everest in height. Mountain ranges are divided into following zones: Himadri, which is known as Great Himalaya; Himachal, Lesser Himalaya; Shivalik, Lower Himalaya; Northeastern Hills. If we talk about Himadri or Greater Himalaya, there are the highest mountains. What are there? Highest mountains in the Himalayan region, and the Great Himalaya remain covered with snow throughout the year. The river Ganga, Yamuna, Indus, Satluj, and Brahmaputra, they originate in this region, and in the Himadri, there are very steep slopes and deep snow-filled valleys. In some places, there are even glaciers. What are glaciers? These are the huge masses of ice. And it is from these glaciers that when the ice begins to melt, water flows down towards the plains. And what they form? They form a great river over here, right? And these mountains always have been a great challenge for the mountaineers like Tenzing, Norway, and Edmund Hillary. These are the first mountaineer to successfully climb the highest mountain peak in the world, that is Mount Everest. And in year 1984, we have Bachindri Pal, an Indian woman who successfully scaled what? Mount Everest. Right, then we have Himachal, which is also known as Lesser Himalaya. These are not as high as Great Himalaya. They have many passes. A pass is a way to get over between or over the mountains. They have thick vegetation. Vegetation कैसी होती है? बहुत ज़्यादा thick होती है. And trees like cedar, oak, pine are grown over here. And if we talk about the snowfall, what are the trees? Cedar, oak, pine, and cedar. There is a snowfall in the winter which attracts many tourists like Srinagar, Kullu, Manali, Mussoorie, Simla, Nainital, Darjeeling. What are these? These are some beautiful hill stations that we see here. Kedarnath and Badrinath, these are the famous places of pilgrimage too, which lies where? In this mountain range. Next is Shivalik or Lower Himalaya. So the lowest mountain of these ranges are the Shivalik. We receive very heavy rainfall during the summer season. These mountains are covered with thick forest. ये जो mountains हैं, ये कैसे covered है? Thick forest, घना जंगल है यहाँ पे. And the land at the foot of these hills is very fertile. It is called Tarai region. Right, the thick forest here are bamboo teak. In abundance, this region is also the home of many wild beasts. यहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारे wild beasts भी देखने को मिलेंगे. Slopes of these mountains are fertile. Hence, sheep and cattle. These are the animals that are reared over here. Next is Northeastern Hill. As they are the hills, they are not as high as compared to the other part of the Himalayan ranges. Northeastern hills include what? Naga, Lusai and Patkai Hill, and these hills too are covered with green thick forest as they receive heavy rainfall during summer. Summer में क्या होता है? Heavy rainfall होती है. So, our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood each and everything about the northern mountains. Now, we will meet in the next class. Thank you for learning with me. Keep enjoying. That's all for today. Thank you.